Once upon a time, there was a what? What is she? She's a princess riding what? And who's that?
The man guy riding in the horse.
Good. And what did he do?
Riding the horse.
Mm-hmm. He's riding away. And who's that?
Hey, get out that horse. That's not yours.
And what does the bad guy do?
Walking down.
And now what? And what does the king say?
You're welcome.
What does the princess say?
Thank you, Dad.
And she rides on a horse. And what does she do now?
Riding the horse.
And did they live happily ever after? The